Sometimes you might need to write something to a very specific word count, such as an article, a short story submission, or an essay. Scrivener 3 for Windows can help you with that. Each individual document in your manuscript has a target icon in the bottom right-hand corner. Here you can set a word or character target with minimum and overrun options. Once you've set your target, a progress bar appears where the target was, and a display beneath your document tells you exactly how many words you have achieved. Holding your cursor over this gives you a little more information. You can also check the option to get notifications when you get to your target, which comes up as a brief black box on your screen, and at various other times when you reduce word count, etc. That's all very well if everything is in one document, but it may not be, and it doesn't help you with the deadline date. If you want to track these things, go to Project and Project Targets. Here you'll see that you can set the target as words, characters, or pages, and that you can have a session target. So, how many words you want to write that day. Under Options you have two tabs: Draft Target and Session Target. Here you can choose only to include compiled documents, for example nothing that's in your research folder, and you have an overrun allowance. You also have a target deadline and the ability to show those same types of notifications as for the page target. Session Targets gives you various options for changing how timings are calculated. Automatically calculate from draft deadline activates the days, if you have a deadline set, and you can choose if you want to write on the deadline date or not. Once you have a draft target, you'll be able to put the cursor over the toolbar box to see your progress. It shows the overall progress, the target, and the progress of the document you're in, plus a thin progress bar below it. You do have a few options to customize these features under File and Options, Appearance and Target Progress Bars. Under the Options tab, you have a checkbox to have a graduated progress bar and to remove the progress bar option completely from the bottom of the box on the toolbar. And under Colours, you can change Start, End, Midway and Overflow colours. Simply click on the colour box and choose your new colour. If you want to change your Scrivener theme completely, check out this video here.